Welcome to my channel Medicine Guide. Niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, is a well-tolerated ingredient that can be found in a range of skincare products for moisturizing, brightening, and anti-acne purposes, among other benefits. If you're looking to add it to your skincare routine, opt for a concentration of less than 5% and look for a product that is left on the skin for maximum absorption, like a moisturizer or serum. In this video we will discuss what is niacinamide, its health benefits, side effects and more. So let's start our discussion. But before that, please subscribe to my channel Medicine Guide. Now let's start our discussion. Keeping up with the latest must-have skincare ingredients can be tough, but it's worth taking the time to learn more about niacinamide. While this ingredient doesn't get as much attention as fellow skin aging fighters like retinoids or glycolic acid. Curious if niacinamide has a place in your skincare regimen? Watch to find out what you need to know about this beauty booster. What is niacinamide? In the context of skincare, niacinamide is a topical version of vitamin B3. You can also find vitamin B3 in the form of niacin, in supplement form and in some foods, including meats, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Niacinamide may be one of the active ingredients in some topical anti-aging products, especially serums. Generally, people can expect smoother, more hydrated skin when using niacinamide in their skincare routine. Topical niacinamide versus niacinamide supplements. Topical niacinamide-containing products will have more direct benefits for the skin. Niacinamide is most effective when applied topically. Getting B3 through your diet can be healthy for your skin, too. B3 is found in foods such as chicken and turkey breast, salmon, tuna, brown rice, and fortified breakfast cereal, notes the National Institutes of Health, NIH. Studies have also shown that oral niacinamide can reduce the risk of some skin cancers as well as precancerous growths known as actinic keratoses. Most people in the United States meet their recommended daily intake of B3 without needing to take a supplement, per the NIH. Even though niacinamide is water-soluble, and theoretically it can be peed out if you take too much, there's still a risk of liver toxicity with oral intake. If you do want to take a niacinamide supplement, don't take more than is contained in a multivitamin unless instructed by your physician. Benefits of niacinamide. One benefit of niacinamide is how versatile it is as a skincare ingredient. When used topically, niacinamide can improve skin hydration by preventing evaporation of moisture from the skin into the environment. It's also a natural anti-inflammatory ingredient, so it's great for calming irritated skin, but also good for people with sensitive skin. In one study, nicotinamide, another name for niacinamide, was found to be a better skin hydrator than petrolatum jelly. Meanwhile, a research review suggested that niacinamide may improve skin barrier function. The skin barrier not only locks moisture in skin but also keeps potential irritants out, making the ingredient suitable in the treatment of conditions like rosacea or acne. In addition, niacinamide helps prevent premature signs of skin aging, including boosting collagen production to smooth wrinkles and reduce discolorations. It is recommended for people with dry, sensitive, aging, or acne-prone skin. What's more, a double-blind, randomized, controlled trial suggested that topical 2% niacinamide can be effective in controlling skin sebum, oil, production. Another review looked at 8 studies in which nicotinamide was used to treat acne. Researchers found that 6 of those concluded that topical preparations were effective in reducing acne, but the authors note that more research needs to be done to quantify how nicotinamide stacks up to standard acne treatments, such as benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, or retinoids. Niacinamide dosing. When choosing a niacinamide product, experts suggest using a product that contains a concentration of no more than 5% niacinamide to minimize the risk of irritation. For most people, this amount should be tolerable. However, certain niacinamide serums contain as much as double that, so always read the label. How to decide which niacinamide product to try. You can find niacinamide in various types of skincare products, including sunscreen, moisturizer, night cream, and serum. But there's not enough evidence that brief contact with the skin, such as in face washes or cleansers, leads to meaningful skin differences. So experts recommend sticking to products that are left on the skin, and thus absorbed, such as moisturizers or serums. Also, take a look at which other active ingredients a niacinamide product contains. Experts explain that you can often find niacinamide paired with alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs. AHAs exfoliate dead skin cells that make it easier for niacinamide to effectively penetrate. It is advised that other great couplings for niacinamide are hyaluronic acid. Both ingredients relieve dryness, and salicylic acid. Salicylic acid treats acne and keeps pores clear, while niacinamide may regulate oil production in skin and reduce inflammation. How to add niacinamide to your skincare routine. Niacinamide is a perfect complement to just about any skincare routine, thanks to the wide variety of benefits it offers your skin. Not only is it helpful in boosting collagen production, but the gentle, anti-inflammatory nature of the ingredient can potentially decrease the risk of irritation from other active ingredients you may be using, including retinoids and AHAs, such as glycolic acid. You can apply niacinamide products in the morning or at night. Experts prefers frequent use of niacinamide. They recommend both daily and nighttime use of this ingredient due to the multiple skincare concerns it addresses. You can use it in sunscreen, moisturizer, and overnight cream, for instance. Once you've decided on a skincare product containing niacinamide, it's worth performing a spot test to determine whether your skin agrees with this ingredient. Apply a small amount of the product to a small patch of skin and watch for any adverse reaction. Generally, someone can determine whether they are sensitive to a product within the first few days of use. Do this with any new product, especially if you have sensitive skin and are therefore more prone to an allergic response. Side effects of niacinamide. Excess oral intake of niacinamide can lead to gastrointestinal issues, such as nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea, per the NIH, as well as skin redness. However, topical niacinamide is very safe with minimal limitations. That's a no for this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please keep watching my channel. Disclaimer. Channel's intention is to make sure that its consumers get information that is accurate, reviewed by an expert and error-free. However, the information mentioned here should not be used as a replacement for the advice of a qualified physician. The information given here is for informational purposes only, which may not cover all possible precautions, side effects, contraindications or drug interactions. Consult your doctor and discuss your queries related to any medicine or disease. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Medicine God.